यारों की यारी, दोस्तों की दोस्ती एंड लवर्स की शादी स्टोरीज ढूंढते ढूंढते मैं पहुंच गया हूं इन मध्य प्रदेश मोस्ट हैपनिंग सिटी इंदौर। वेल, आईटी पार्क्स, क्राउड, ट्रैफिक, ये सब तो यहां पर है, बट डिड यू ऑल्सो नो दैट दिस इज ऑल्सो द लैंड ऑफ पोएट्री, द लैंड ऑफ रोमांस। यस, और इंदौर की इन्हीं गलियों में हम मिलने जा रहे हैं आज आदित्य और नीति से, who are also madly in love। कहते हैं someone somewhere is waiting for you। नीति और आदित्य को कहां पता था कि उनका ये वेट खत्म होगा एक कॉफी शॉप में। A delicious conversation over coffee and Aditya was head over heels। Then began Aditya's long drives all the way to Raipur just to meet Neeti। And before they knew it, cappuccino made way for sweet nothings, and what they relished was true love। And while life may throw its own bittersweet challenges, what Aditya and Neeti promise to always cherish is togetherness। Isn't that cute? Well, Aditya and Neeti look like a picture perfect couple, and that's exactly why we at Yari Dosti Shadi had to attend their wedding, yaar। As you know, this show is not just about the couple, it's about the yars, the dosts that make the shadi all the more special and all the more crazy. And that's exactly why it's time for you to meet the leader of the gang of friends।
Hi, I am Archit Kothari, 25 years old, grew up in Indore, currently pursuing my MBA at IIM Indore, and I am groom ka bhai। Aditya Bhaiya and my to-be bhabhi share a very cute love story, and Yari Dosti Shadi is the perfect platform to showcase their love story।
Hi, my name is Aditya Kothari। I was born in Ahmedabad and grew up in Indore। I work in my family business and I'm the director of the company।
Aditya Bhaiya is very fond of gymming, going on long drives, surfing the web, researching, very fond of dogs, so we have 8 dogs at home।
आदित्य मेरा बड़ा बेटा है। He was a very lovely child, a very good boy। बहुत ऐसा जिद्दी लड़का है, ऐसा कभी नहीं रहा ये लड़का।
I'm Niti, I'm 21 years old। I'm done with my graduation BCom। I love cooking, I'm the bride and I'm very excited for my marriage।
As a bhabhi, she is my perfect bhabhi because I think I can chat with her, I can scold bhaiya with her, I can shop with her, I like her shopping sense।
As a person, नीति बहुत jolly mooded है, बहुत मस्ती वाली है, and I can say वो little naughty भी है।
She is like this perfect bubbly member who can integrate the family in one whole। When I see Aditya Bhaiya and Neeti Bhabhi together, the first thing that comes to my mind is the ideal love and arranged affair। That's because they met through family।
आदित्य से मैं निशा मासी के थ्रू मिली।
एक फंक्शन था मेरे घर पे, हम लोगों ने पूरे फैमिली को इनवाइट किया था, एंड उस दौरान आदित्य अपने बिजनेस रिलेशन के लिए आता रहता था रायपुर, तो it happened कि he was also there।
When I saw Neeti, I wasn't sure like she is with Masi, but she was a pretty girl out there and I was like, let's talk to that girl, but I was reluctant। So my master showed me to her and we guys interacted। We like had a talk for like 2 minutes and it ended up like 4 and 5 hours conversation।
The only one he's spoken to for 5 hours is either his close friends or me, not even mom dad। So I'm like, okay, then something is working out for him।
तो it just happened and clicked कि हो सकता है they can be a good compatible for the future couples also।
We met in a coffee shop
Initially when I saw her with the white dress, with the white shoes and everything, she was looking very pretty in that dress।
and I was very nervous because मेरा first time था, तो I was not knowing कि what to ask, what to say। Basically I was answering his questions।
They're gelling well, and he said that there's a spark। I'm like, okay, there's a spark।
Slowly we started liking each other।
We always used to tease him, dude, what is happening? What is happening? You guys in love or what is happening?
Then slowly he told about Neeti. He told that she understands me, she loves me, she adores me, and I thought Neeti is a perfect match for Aditya।
And then one day he was like, Dad, I want to marry this girl। And Dad was like, is she the Raipur one? So Dad had a hint by the time।
It was not very difficult stage for to convince both the families।
नीति बहुत स्वीट लड़की लगी, बहुत अच्छी लगी हमें मिली तब। गॉड इज ग्रेट, भगवान सबकी जोड़ी बना के भेजता है।
Mom was all charged up। She was happy because she knew that Neeti is going to be her bahu। I have companion in the house because we are 2 brothers only, and Mom was always wanting a daughter, and Dad is like, now I have a daughter in the house, so yeah, we are one happy family।
What makes Neeti my ideal partner would be her sweetness and her kiddish nature.
I found him very caring वाला part मेरे लिए बहुत important था because I'm a pampered girl.
I think what gelled the most about them was that he's this calm and composed guy and she's this understanding and bubbly girl. So I think they both match the best. That's what he said and I was like, okay, sounds good to me. Aditya Bhaiya, after dating Neeti Bhabhi, I think he's changed a lot. So there are small things which are, taken different shape. For instance, the way he dresses up, he's become very particular now because Bhabhi keeps telling him over the phone call. So I see him, choosing what shoe to wear, which day to office.
कुछ भी करने से पहले वो मुझसे पूछते थे कि ये करना है कि नहीं, ऐसा चाहिए कि नहीं, मतलब he needs my opinion.
आवर्स एंड आवर्स दोनों बच्चे आपस में बात करते रहते हैं. हम आदित्य को बुलाते तो हमसे बात कर, तो आता ही नहीं है.
आई एम हैप्पी बिकॉज मैंने जो भी सोचा एंड रियली कमिंग आउट ट्रू एंड बोथ द फैमिलीज आर रियली हैप्पी टू हैव ईच अदर.
I would just like to say one thing to both of them, to Aditya Bhaiya and to Neeti Bhabhi, is that stay the same. From what I know till them, they are like the perfect people I want in my life. So I want them to stay the same. That's my message to them.
आदित्य और नीति की शादी होने वाली है इन ट्रेडिशनल मारवाड़ी स्टाइल एंड ऑब्वियसली आदित्य और नीति दोनों के पेरेंट्स ये चाहते हैं दैट नीति शुड लुक लाइक अ प्रिंसेस ऑन हर बिग डे. अब सिचुएशन कुछ ऐसी है. ज्वेलरी शॉपिंग आउटफिट शॉपिंग से पहली होती है, बट जैसी ज्वेलरी आदित्य और नीति चाहते थे फॉर हर बिग डे वैसी ज्वेलरी उन्हें कहीं मिली नहीं है. एंड इन दिस प्रोसेस शादी के लिए सिर्फ 25 दिन रह गए हैं एंड देयर इज अ कैच. Neeti can't step out of the house because of some Marwari tradition. So now the jewelry and the outfit shopping are both left. Well, I'm here in Indore at the Tanish store because जब आदित्य और उसकी फैमिली ने हमसे ये प्रॉब्लम डिस्कस की तो हमने उन्हें सोल्यूशन दे दिया which is यारी दोस्ती शादी ऑफ कोर्स. सो आइए चलिए हम चल के मिलते हैं आदित्य और उसकी मॉम को जो ऑलरेडी यहाँ पे है शॉपिंग फॉर नीति एंड हर वेडिंग ज्वेलरी. कम ऑन, लेट्स गो.
जब मैं तनिष्क गए तब मेरी मुलाकात रिद्धि से हुई वहाँ पे.
दिस इज ब्यूटीफुल आंटी. वेडिंग ज्वेलरी शॉपिंग इज ऑन.
या नीति के लिए.
बहुत सुंदर. नीति के
लिए नीति आ नहीं सकती थी. नीति के कंकु तिलक कर दिया था तो शी कैन नॉट लीव द हाउस.
तो हम यारी दोस्ती शादी के साथ हैं. अब हम उसे स्काइप करेंगे. ओके आंटी, आप मुझे दे दीजिए हार और हम आराम से बैठ के बात करते हैं.
फिर हमने स्काइप किया नीति को.
हेलो.
हाय, कैन यू सी अस?
प्रणाम मम्मी जी.
जीते रहो. हाउ आर यू?
आई एम गुड मम्मी जी. हाउ आर यू?
फाइन.
Okay, now tell me first things first, how is it feeling that you are not here shopping for your wedding jewelry? Because every bride...
Mummy is there now, so it's okay.
Wow, so much trust. पूरा का पूरा आपके कंधों पर है इसका बोझ to select the jewelry. तो आप बताइए, ये एक ट्रेडिशनल मारवाड़ी वेडिंग है. So, आपके दिमाग में क्या है? What have you thought of?
I would go in for traditional jewelry क्योंकि हम लोग मारवाड़ी राजस्थानी फैमिली से बिलोंग करते हैं एंड ओवर एंड अबव वो उसको सूट करेगा. शी इज वेयरिंग अ घाघरा ओढ़ना.
राइट.
उसके साथ उसकी ज्वेलरी बहुत सूट करेगी.
तनिष की एक पर्टिकुलर लाइन है ऑफ वेडिंग ज्वेलरी विच इज कॉल्ड रिवा. इट्स ब्यूटिफुली अमेलगमेटेड रिवाज एंड विवाह जो हमारे इंडियन कल्चर, इंडियन फेस्टिवल, इंडियन वेडिंग्स में बहुत द इम्पोर्टेंस इज अ लॉट. सो लेट्स स्टार्ट लुकिंग एट दैट ज्वेलरी. देखते हैं आपको क्या पसंद आता है. आदित्य, यू आर ऑल्सो हियर. You see them?
Nice.
Nice. Any preferences? What do you like more?
Mummy ji, which one you like?
मुझे पता था. I knew it.
It's very pretty.
Is there a significance of these कड़ास, मारवाड़ी कड़ा? एक कोई रीजन होगा इसीलिए उनको मारवाड़ी कड़ा बोला जाता है.
ये कड़े हैं ना, शादी के बाद दोनों हाथों में पहनाए जाते हैं.
ओके.
ब्राइड को. तो इसकी सिग्निफिकेंस है कि दे शुड वेयर इट. throughout, or they are like going into a married life. They have a good fortune coming over for that reason.
When the jewelry came in, my mom was explaining everything about the significance of what jewelry is, like what are the jewelry, how it signifies, and different kinds of jewelry.
आंटी नथ यहाँ पे है. मैंने सुना है नथ के बारे में, मतलब I remember when I was getting married, तो मैंने सुना था that नथ actually represent करती है sun and moon. So you know it sort of brings together passion and calm.
That enhances the beauty of a face.
Absolutely.
बेस्ट पार्ट इज है. और इंडियन कल्चर में आप सिर ढकते हो और नथ पहनते हो, टीका पहनते हो, तो बहुत सुंदर लगता है.
Yes, that's true.
The connection was very poor, तो मैंने ज़्यादा कुछ तो नहीं देखा, but my mother-in-law was there. I know कि उनकी choice बहुत अच्छी है, तो उन्होंने मेरे लिए बहुत beautiful jewelry choose किया होगा.
Okay, the jewelry is also here. Aditya,
Yeah.
tell us what you want to select for Neeti.
I mean, if you compare these two, now इसमें you have like these four big pieces, big balls, but this is all same,
Delicate
and same.
Yeah.
I mean, we are choosing the same for the mehndi also, like similar, like kind of like this much big for the patta, for the gala. तो वो थोड़ा same हो जाएगा. दो functions है इसलिए. So you can choose something like this for a reception. और different हो जाएगा.
Absolutely.
Yeah.
आंटी, सो ये तो बहुत क्विक सिलेक्शन आपने की है, लेकिन आई डोंट वांट यू टू क्विकली सिलेक्ट योर ज्वेलरी. सो व्हाट वी कैन डू इज आंटी, हम तनिष्क की वेबसाइट पे जा सकते हैं, विच इज tanish.co.in/riva, एंड लेट्स चेक आउट. दे हैव मोर ऑप्शंस फॉर द मारवाड़ी ज्वेलरी. लेट्स गो.
When Riddhi mentioned the Tanishq Riva website to my mom, it was a great experience, and she typed on the laptop, and we could see everything about the jewelry, different kinds of sets and all.
Riva brides, Bengali, Bihari, Gujarati, Kannada, Malayali, Marathi, Marwari. Wow. So auntie, you can select anything you want from here. If there is something else जो आपको पसंद आए, you know, except for these things that you've seen here, please go ahead and Tanishq will make it happen for you. And congratulations and all the very best. And thank you for sharing your special day with us. Thank you. नीति की वेडिंग ज्वेलरी सिलेक्ट हो चुकी है, बट नाउ देयर इज अ बिगर प्रॉब्लम अहेड ऑफ अस. आदित्य और नीति की वेडिंग आउटफिट्स, they're not decided as yet. And as the case is, Neeti can't join Aditya for her wedding outfit selection. अब हमारे पास सिर्फ एक ही solution है. Rudy will have to fly with Aditya and his mom to Bombay, to Azza, and find something for the both of them. So all I want to say, Rudy, all the best. मेरा नाक ऊंचा करके आना.
हेलो जी, नमस्ते जी. आप ये सोच रहे होंगे कि मैं आजा स्टोर के बाहर क्या कर रहा हूँ. आज I'm going to help Aditya shop for Neeti and we're going to choose the outfits that she will wear at the reception and the pheras. आज बताओ करना क्या है.
आज plan ये है, we're gonna go inside, do some good shopping for Neeti. And the best part is Neeti has already sent a video to Devangi about her likes and dislikes.
I really want you to help me out. Actually, in our custom, outfit of bride is always decided by in-laws.
I got a video message from Neeti explaining exactly what she had in mind for her bridal outfit. I was very honored and excited that she had chosen Azza to be part of her big day and that she trusted us with such a huge responsibility.
All right. So Devangi, did you get a chance to see the video?
I did, and I got a chance to understand what Neeti is looking for. But what I also understood is that she doesn't trust you with the shopping choices.
Yeah, she doesn't do because many times we don't shop together and we don't go out for shopping and all. And I choose some wrong clothes for which then like.
But this time the clothes that we will choose for you and for her will be perfect, and then she will trust only you and nobody else.
We chatted a bit about what Aditya had in mind, both for himself as well as for Neeti. And then his mother came in, and it was really lovely to have his mother in store with us. Auntie, you've come at the perfect time. I've seen Neeti's video, how she's talking about her outfit and what she has in mind. I got a sense that she really likes the color pink. She doesn't want to opt for a red that's too traditional, and that she wants an outfit that will really uplift her and make her stand out. And also she trusts you completely and doesn't trust Aditya so much. So I'm so happy you're here to help me with her choice.
तो आंटी, मैंने सुना है कि आपके कल्चर में एक रिवाज होता है कि जो सास होती है वो अपनी बहू को गिफ्ट करती है शादी का जोड़ा.
जी.
करेक्ट. तो आप जो आज हम चूज करेंगे वो आप नीति को गिफ्ट करेंगे.
वो हम गिफ्ट करेंगे। हम उसको पडला बोलते हैं। जैसे उसमें क्या होता है कि नीति को मोड़ देते हैं। मोड़ है, सुहाग का पूड़ा है, उसका मंगलसूत्र हम उस दिन पहनाएंगे।
In their Marwari tradition, the mother-in-law selects the outfit for the bride. So it was great that she could be there, at least to help us select the perfect outfit for Neeti.
हम तो कर रहे हैं गपशप, लेकिन नीति हमारी वेट कर रही होगी, so let's try and get नीति online so that we can also show her the outfits.
Yes.
And while Rudy is connecting with Neeti, should we have a look around the store?
Sure, let's go ahead.
Great.
Alright, so we are connected with Neeti. She is with us right now.
I got your video and I'm going to walk you through all the options we have available here at Azza. So I'm excited to hear your feedback.
मुझे तो ज़्यादा स्ट्रेस नहीं था because I trusted my mother-in-law कि she'll choose a very good outfit for me.
So I've shortlisted this Rimple and Harpreet lehenga. It has beautiful thread work all over. You mentioned that you also like Tiffany blue. So it has Tiffany blue thread work all across, as well as a splash of sequins that gives it a real elegance and shine.
So if she wears this, will I be wearing this one?
Yes, and that brings me to your outfit. This is a beautiful Sherwani by Varun Bell. You mentioned that you want something that's not over the top and yet is very sophisticated. So this Sherwani has pure thread work, resham ka kaam, and it has an asymmetric hemline. So you'll really stand out. It's very stylish and it'll look great on you. What do you think, Auntie, of the combination?
Combination is very nice. Let's see if we have more options.
I wanted to pick something in the bright pink color that Neeti really likes. So I've chosen a Sabyasachi lehenga. This is a beautiful bridal option. It will really stand out because it has this beautiful blend of emerald green and Rani pink. So I think it'll really make her skin glow. It'll make her really look like the bride.
Really beautiful. I find this is a very good outfit. मुझे पिंक एंड ग्रीन थोड़ा सा ब्राइट लगा, अच्छा लगा। मैनिक्विन ने भी पहना था and I pictured Neeti into it and I found it very nice, so I opted for that.
Personally, my heart is on that pink dress because my fiance loves pink. Preeti loves pink, so obviously there's just two of us I'll choose for.
So Aditya was very clear that pink is Neeti's favorite color, and I think right when he saw the Sabyasachi lehenga option, he knew that this was the one. And for you, Aditya, to match this Sabyasachi lehenga is a cream sherwani. I wanted to keep it very subtle. It has brocade work and this beautiful brocade dupatta which matches the emerald green in Neeti's lehenga. It's definitely a groom's outfit without being over the top.
I like this piece very much. It's not like anything. Yeah, seriously. It's very
Great, and I think it'll work very well with your skin tone as well.
Yeah, actually.
Yeah.
I should try it first.
Definitely.
According to Neeti's garments, आदित्य का भी चॉइस किया that would suit to him. नीति के साथ ग्रीन और पिंक थीम था, तो we went in for आदित्य ग्रीन कलर खेस।
आंटी, मैनिक्विन पे देखने पे तो अच्छा लग रहा था, पर आपको लगता है आदित्य पे अच्छा लगेगा?
लगता तो है, होना तो चाहिए।
मुझे भी लगता है लगने वाला है, बिकॉज ब्रो तो अच्छा लगने ही वाला है। सो आदित्य, डू यू वांट टू कम आउट?
Looks great.
Bro is looking pro.
I think you look very royal.
Yeah.
And it's really suiting you.
आंटी, आपको कैसा लग रहा है?
अच्छा लग रहा है।
अच्छा लग रहा है?
वेरी स्मार्ट।
एकदम रॉयल लग रहा है।
रॉयल लग रहा है।
आई थिंक इवन व्हेन यू एंड नीति स्टैंड टुगेदर, बहुत अच्छा लगने वाला है एक्चुअली।
It's a whole good dress I wore, so I chose it.
So we've shortlisted yours and Neeti's outfits. I hope you like them and you're happy with the choice.
Beautiful.
We came all the way from Indore for this Azza All-Star in Mumbai, and we loved the outfits.
Aditya, Neeti, I wish you a very happy married life together. Thank you so much for making Azza a part of your most memorable day. And I'm sure you're going to make a beautiful couple, have an amazing life together.
I love it, seriously. It's really
What a lovely and a beautiful box.
Auntie,
And a
this box
lovely
has been personally handcrafted by our designer Puneet Gupta just for Azza.
Wow, wow, very nice, very nice.
well, आज की शॉपिंग तो बहुत ही मजेदार थी। आदित्य और नीति दोनों को मैचिंग आउटफिट्स मिल गए, और नीति आदित्य पे जो ट्रस्ट नहीं कर रही थी, वो आज के बाद पूरा ट्रस्ट करेगी।
मैं मेहंदी में एक सॉन्ग कर रही हूँ। We friends will be wearing a pagdi and we'll be having the black gogs and we'll be dancing on some friends and my cousins and my madam and my bhabhi and all of us. So we'll be having fun.
Everybody twisted their waist. So that's a grand gala start of the day.
Our cousins, my sisters, everybody danced. So yeah, the celebrations begin.